Welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. If you're into that, go ahead and click subscribe, ring the bell down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Elbow bump. It's so nice to meet you. I am actually in the garden today. I have, oh my goodness, do I have a whole bunch of grapes that's ready to be harvested. I thought I was done harvesting them, but look at those beauties. And there's supposed to be a storm in a couple of hours. Yes, the calm before the storm. We're not worried because we are prepared, right? Right. And we're highly blessed and covered. So I'm going to I just wanted to share that I am going to harvest these beauties. I'm tasting and harvesting. They're so delicious. And that's how you know that your grapes are ready to be picked, when they're soft to the touch and they taste sweet. Well, here it is. I was in the garden, I had 2 baskets full and I needed another container, and I said, babe, I need something. And my husband ran out with a pot. I'll take it. Hey, I just needed something to carry these beauties in. So I'm pretty excited. These are actually wine grapes. Yes, but I'm learning how to can, and I'm going to make some jelly. Yes, some grape jelly. We will also just use some just to eat. They will last about 2 weeks in the refrigerator. And then I'm also I'm thinking about dehydrating some too, so we'll see. But anyways, I didn't plan on doing a video today. It's my relaxed day, my family time. And like I said, the storm is coming through, but I wanted to share. How could I not share? If you don't have grapes in your garden, you definitely need to get some grapes. Every garden needs grapes and strawberries and peaches and fresh fruit. So anyways, I could go on and on. Thanks again for watching. Be safe out there. Be kind. Be loving. Stay healthy. And I'll see you in my next video.